15x minus 15x is simply 0. Cancel na siya. 10y minus 21y is equal to 11y negative equals 5 plus 27 negative is negative 22. So this is our step 2. And for step 3, pwede na natin isolve yung value ng y. Divide both sides by negative 11. Cancel, cancel. Y now is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative. This is positive 2. Hi everyone, this is SJ Guzman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial video, we are going to discuss a topic from Advanced Algebra, the systems of linear equations using elimination method. So without further ado, let's begin. Another method for systems of linear equations, the elimination method. So, itong method na to is often preferred over substitution method and mas nagagamit siya sa higher order systems. In a system of two linear equations in two variables, with the use of elimination method, the equations can be combined, resulting in a third equation in one variable, thus eliminating one of the variables. Quick example, using these two equations, 2x minus y is equal to 5 and negative x plus y equals 2. To eliminate one variable here, ang gagawin natin is, we will add both of the equations. So let's start with the constant, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Negative y plus y is equal to 0, so cancel na yan. 2x minus x is equal to simply x na lang. Therefore, meron na tayong na-cancel na variable and meron na tayong agad na solve na value for one variable which is x. So elimination would be preferred because yung y terms natin sum to 0 when the two equations are added together. And dito nga sa quick example na yan. When you cannot eliminate a variable simply by adding the two equations, so pinag-add mo, wala kang na-eliminate, ang gagawin mo lang is you have to multiply one equation by a constant that will cause the coefficients of some variable in the two equations to match and be opposite in sign para meron kang makancel. This method, the elimination method, is also called the addition method. Steps in solving linear systems by elimination. Step number 1, multiply the coefficients of one or both of the equations so that one of the variables will be eliminated when the two equations are added. Number 2, eliminate one of the variables by adding the expression found in the first step, so step number 1, to the other equation. The result is an equation in one variable. Step number 3, solve the equation obtained in the second step. Step number 4, back substitute the value found in the third step into either of the two original equations. And for the final step, check the solution that satisfies both equations. Like the substitution, kapag nakakuha na tayo ng solution sa linear equations na ibibigay sa atin, we just have to check. Take note, hindi na natin kailangan gawin yung step 1 kapag yung corresponding terms natin already sum to 0 na. Parang yung ginawa natin dun sa quick example natin kanina. Ngayon, kung hindi sila magtutugma, wala ka agad maka-cancel out. Once sa pag pinag-add mo lang sila, you have to do step number 1. So, example number 1, solve the system 2x minus y equals negative 5 and 4x plus y equals 11. Kung mapapansin natin, yung y natin is simply negative y at saka positive y lang. So, ibig sabihin, sa steps natin in linear systems using elimination method, hindi na natin kailangan gawin yung step 1. So, let's move on to step 2 na agad. Eliminate y by adding both of the equations. Say this is equation 1. And this is equation 2. Pag-add natin sila, so pag pinag-add natin yan, ang lalabas is, makakancel na ito. And negative 5 plus 11 is equal to positive 6. 2x plus 4x is 6x. So we have an equation 6x equals 6. So for step number 3, we have to solve for the value of x. Since one variable na lang siya, na-eliminate na natin yung isang variable which is yung y. So to solve for x, we divide both sides by 6. Para tatanggalin natin yung numerical coefficient niya. 6 para makancel. And 6 and x now is equal to positive 1. Ito yung unang value natin for our variable x. For step number 4, we have to back substitute. Yung x is equal to 1, ilalagay natin either of the equations, pwedeng equation 1 or equation 2. So gamitin na lang natin is yung equation 2. Using equation 2, we have 4x plus y equals 11. Iba-back substitute natin, we have to substitute the value of x na 1 para ma-solve natin yung isang variable na y. Ang value ng x natin is 1. This is 4 times 1 plus y equals 11. And this is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus y equals 11. Lipat natin yung 4 sa kabila. Y now is equal to 11 minus 4. And ang value ng y natin ngayon is equal to 7. So using the elimination method, ang solution natin ngayon for this problem is 1 and 7. And step number 5, we have to check, ilalagay natin yung solution natin na 1 and 7, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7, to both equations para malaman natin kung tama ba yung nakuha natin by elimination method. So using the equation 1, ang value ng x is 1, value ng y is 7, 2 times 1 minus 7 equals negative 5. So 2 times 1 is positive 2, minus 7 equals negative 5. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Negative 5, negative 5. So this is correct. Na-satisfy ng solution natin na 1 and 7 yung equation 1. For the equation 2 naman, 4 times 1 plus 7 equals 11. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 7 equals 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. Since nag-equal siya, ibig sabihin, na-satisfy din nung ating solution yung equation number 2. Therefore, ito yung ating solution for example number 1. So, if we're going to use the graphical method here, ito yung kanyang magiging graph. And this is example number 1. Solve the system negative 4x plus 3y equals 23 and 12x plus 5y equals 1. Yung linear equations natin given sa problem number 2, hindi kagaya ng problem number 1 na pag pinag-add natin sila is may makakancel na tayo, may eliminate na tayo na variable. So therefore, gagamitin natin ito ng step 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Ang gagawin natin, we will multiply the equation 1 by 3. So, multiply equation 1 by 3. And ito ang mangyayari dyan. Negative 4x plus 3y equals 23. Multiply natin by 3. Negative 12x plus 9y equals 69. Question, bakit sa 3 natin minultiply yung equation 1? Kasi, pag minultiply natin equation 1 by 3, magiging 12 siya. And pwede na nating makancel using equation 2 kasi 12 ito. So, yung factor na gagamitin natin na i-multiply natin sa kabilang equation ay nakadepende dun sa isa pang equation para may makancel tayo. Kasi kung kabod ka lang mag-multiply ng any number at hindi naman magtutugma dun sa kabilang equation, so hahaba lang at wala din mangyayari dun sa gagawin mong elimination method. Next, for step number 2, i-eliminate natin yung x by adding the modified equation 1. Yung modified equation 1 natin is ito na yan. This is equation 1 modified. I-add natin yung equation 1 modified to equation 2. Ang equation 2 natin is 12x plus 5y equals 1. So, pag pinag-add natin siya directly, makakancel na natin yung etong terms na yan. Matitira na lang sa atin is 9y plus 5y is equal to 14y. And 69 plus 1 is 70. Pwede na tayong makasolve ngayon ng value ng y. For step number 3, solving for the value of y, we divide both sides by 14. This is cancel. Y now is equal to 70 over 14 is equal to 5. So, ito yung first value natin for our variable y. Step number 4 naman, we have to back substitute. Nakuha na natin yung value ng y. Gagamitin natin ngayon yung value ng y na yan into either of the equation. Let's say equation 2 na lang to solve for x. Using equation 2, 12x plus 5y equals 1. Ang value ng y natin is 5. 12x plus 5 times 5 equals 1. 12x plus 5 times 5 is 25 equals 1. So, lipat natin yung 25 sa kabila. Parang matitira na lang sa kabilang side of the equation is yung may variable na x. This is 12x equals 1. Positive 25 is magiging negative 25 na. This is 12x equals 1. 12x equals negative 24. And dividing both sides by 12 para makancel ito, 12, x now is equal to negative 2. So meaning, ang solution natin for this problem is 5 and negative 2. So by step number 5, i-check ulit natin using any of the equation. So equation 1, negative 4, ang x natin is negative 2. plus 3 times 5 equals 23. This is negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Plus 3 times 5 is 15 equals 23. 8 plus 15 is 23. Therefore, nasatisfy niya yung equation number 1. For equation number 2, 12 times negative 2 plus 5 times 5 equals 1. So, negative 24 plus 25 ito equals 1. Negative 24 plus 25 or simply 25 minus 24 is positive 1. Again, nasatisfy na solution natin yung equation number 2. Ibig sabihin, ito yung ating answer for example number 2. So, our graph for example number 2 is ito. Solve the system 3x plus 2y equals 1 and 5x plus 7y equals 9. In example number 2, we eliminate x by simply multiplying the first equation by constant. So, multiply natin sa 3 and inadd natin sa second equation. Here in example number 3, in order to eliminate either of the variables, so ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin both of the equations by constant before natin i-add. Isang equation lang ang minultiply natin sa constant. Step number 1, para magtugma, okay, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Yung equation 1 natin is multiply natin by 5. And yung equation 2 natin, i-multiply natin by negative 3. So, for step number 1, i-multiply na natin. Equation 1 ay magiging 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 2y is 10y. And 5 times 1 is 5. Ito na ngayon yung ating modified equation number 1. For equation 2, negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. And negative 3 times 7y is negative 21y. Negative 3 times positive 9 is negative 27. This is the modified equation 2. So, kung mapapansin natin, may makakancel na tayong variable and ito yun. Ayan. So, pag pinag-add natin sila directly, 15x minus 15x is simply 0. Cancel na siya. 10y minus 21y is equal to 11y negative equals 5 plus 27 negative is negative 22. So, this is our step 2. And for step 3, pwede na natin isolve yung value ng y. Divide both sides by negative 11. Cancel, cancel. Y now is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative. This is positive 2. Step number 4, for the value of x, we back substitute y equals 2 into equation 1. So, using equation 1, 3x plus 2y equals 1. Take note, kapag magbaback substitute na tayo, mag-solve na tayo ng yung natitirang variable, pwedeng yung original equation na lang ang gamitin natin para mas simple. Substituting the value of y na 2, this is 3x plus 2 times 2 equals 1. 3x plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 1. 3x is equal to 1. Lipat natin yung positive 4 sa kabila, magiging negative 4. This is 3x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by positive 3. Cancel. X now is equal to negative 3 over 3 is negative 1. So in this problem, ang solution natin is negative 1 and positive 2. For step number 5, we will check if yung solution natin na negative 1 and 2 will satisfy both of the equation. For equation 1, ang value ng x is negative 1 and y is positive 2. This is 3 times negative 1 plus 2 times 2 equals 1. Positive 3 times negative 1 is 3, negative, plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 1. Negative 3 plus 4 or simply 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore, nasatisfy na solution natin yung equation 1. For the equation 2, 5 times negative 1 plus 7 times 2 equals 9. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 plus 7 times 2 is 14 equals 9. And negative 5 plus 14 or simply 14 minus 5 is 9. Again, nasatisfy na naman ng solution natin yung equation number 2. Therefore, ito na yung ating answer for example number 3. And for the graph, ito yung graph for example number 3. Solve the system negative x plus y equals 7 and 2x minus y equals positive 4. For step number 1, since hindi natin siya makakancel directly pag pinag-add natin, we are going to multiply equation 1 by 2. So this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 1 times 2 is equal to negative x times 2 is negative 2x. Y times 2 is 2y. And 7 times 2 is 14. Step 2 na tayo, we will eliminate y by adding the modified equation 1 found in step number 1 to equation 2. So, ito na yung ating modified equation 1. Pag-addin natin sila to eliminate yung variable y natin. Ang equation 2 natin is 2x minus 2y equals 4. Pag-addin natin para makancel yung y, 2y minus 2y is 0. And this is 14 plus 14 is 18. Kaya lang, the problem is, negative 2x plus 2x is 0 din. Makakancel din ito. So, this is 0. It means that yung system natin na given, yung dalawang equations are inconsistent since 0 is equal to 18. Yung equation na 0 equals 89 is never true. Therefore, there are no values of x and y that satisfy both of these equations na given sa atin. So we say that there is no solution to this system of linear equations. No solution. So to prove, here's the graph for example number 4. So the graph of the two equations are two parallel lines. So meaning, by graphical method, no solution din na magiging sagot natin for example number 4. Example number 5. Solve the system 7x plus y equals 2 and negative 14x minus 2y equals negative 4. Using step number 1, we are going to multiply equation 1. Say this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. And multiplying 2 times 7x is 14x. 2 times y is simply 2y. And 2 times 2 is 4. This is our modified equation 1. Now, for step 2, i-add natin yung modified equation 1 found in step number 1, ito nga yun, to equation 2 para makancel natin yung variable y. Equation 2 natin is negative 14x minus 2y equals negative 4. And to cancel or to eliminate one variable, pag-add natin na sila directly, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2y minus 2y is cancel, 0 din yan. Positive 14x minus 14x is cancelled then. So, this is 0 equals 0. So, in problem number 5, yung system natin is dependent. Since yung ito, 0 equals 0 is always true naman. So, we say that there are infinitely many solutions for this example. Para makita natin ng mas malinaw, here's the graph. The graphs of these two equations are in the same line. Ibig sabihin, by graphical method, madami nga yung kanyang solution. So, this is example number 5.